Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check your monetization eligibility status on Instagram. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and to like this video. So to check your monetization eligibility status on Instagram, you just need to enter to your Instagram account. Your Instagram account must be business account. After entering to your profile, just click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, choose Settings, and after Settings, choose Business option, the third one, and after that, just choose the last option, which is Monetization Status. So as you can see, for me, my account is eligible for monetization. To be eligible for monetization, you must respect the monetization policies of Instagram application, and you can see the monetization policies when you click in the link you can see in Learn More. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and also to like this video. See you in the next video.